In this problem, we want to solve this absolute value inequality and then graph it on a number line. The solution set, that is. Let's see, we got the absolute value of x plus 5 is less than or equal to 9. Now the absolute value has to be by itself on the left side, no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. And it is. So what's inside our absolute value is going to be our p, and the other side will be our q. Now if you have a less than or equal to, it's case 1. So our formula we're going to plug this into is negative q is less than or equal to p is less than or equal to positive q. Since this has a line underneath it, less than or equal to, that's why there's lines underneath these. Now everywhere we have a p, we'll plug in x plus 5, and everywhere we have a q, we'll plug in 9. So we've got negative 9 is less than or equal to x plus 5 is less than or equal to positive 9. Now we want to solve this. We want to get x by itself in the middle, so we're going to go through our 4 steps for solving a compounded inequality with 3 sides. Our first step says get rid of parentheses, don't have any. Second step says get rid of fractions, don't have any. Third step says get everything with x in the middle, numbers on the other 2 sides. So I'm going to take the 5 and move it to the right side and to the left side. You take anything across your inequality symbol, the sign changes, so my positive 5 becomes a negative 5. On both sides, both the left and the right side. Now combine together numbers at any step. Negative 9, negative 5 is negative 14, is less than or equal to x, is less than or equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. Now x is by itself, so we've got that one solved. Now let's look at the graph. We're going to have negative 14 and we'll have 4. Now these are less than or equal to's. Less than or equal to means you put a bracket. So put a bracket on each one, and then we shade what's in between them. Now interval notation. We got a bracket on negative 14, so bracket on negative 14. We got a bracket on the 4, so bracket on the 4. And that would be our interval notation.